So we grew up in a way of looking on this political struggle where people tended to take a side that pretended to be able to, so to say, stay out of petromodernity. You know, you could put your fingers on it and say, look at all those bad things that are happening because of oil. Look at the wars, look at geopolitics, all the cynicism, look at the destruction, look at the environmental catastrophes, you know, the oil leakages, the tanker catastrophes. You can go on and on and on. We're all aware of that. And then also at these times already, there was the beginning, it started, the awareness of climate warming and so on already started. But the problem of this kind of critique was that it took a standpoint that is actually impossible in the time, because obviously, if you really start thinking about it, you get to the conclusion that a whole lot of this knowledge that we have about it is only, so to say, due to the fact that it is extracted all the time, and that there is so much money invested in it, and that so much technology is built around it, and that also that so much wealth and value surplus, so to say, has been gained during this epoch, and is also financing its own critique. So in order to, you know, to get a full picture of this time, we have to acknowledge it. We can't, that's why we call ourselves Beauty of Oil, and why we said, okay, we have to look at both sides, because in our tradition of thinking, you know, coming from a more left liberal, environmental aware line of thinking, it has been very clear for a very long time that you stay, so to say, on the other side of the barricade, and that you don't want to have anything to do with all those relentless car drivers and so on. But that just doesn't make sense anymore. If we want to somehow leave this era because it has so many problematic aspects, then we have to acknowledge also all its positive outputs